Did you know that 64% of Gen Z has completely ditched Google and now use Instagram and TikTok as their primary search engines? And while you're chasing the viral sound, data shows that carousels are pulling 6 times more saves than Reels right now. Look, the Instagram algorithm didn't just change in 2026, it's completely reset. The stuff that was getting you millions of views 6 months ago, literally killing your reach today. If you feel like your growth has hit a brick wall, this video is for you. We're breaking down the 5 missing shifts in users' behaviors and tech that you need to master right now. The Instagram algorithm in 2026 isn't just a misery, it's a data-driven machine. If you're not ranking the social SEO or building a role-based brand, you're invisible. At the end of this video, I've put together a curated list of 5 creators who are absolutely crushing this 2026 formats. You're gonna wanna see how they do it. So trend number 5, the total takeover of social search. The 2026 stats wild. 64% of Gen Z and nearly half of millennials don't even bother with Google anymore. They're searching directly on Instagram and TikTok. So what we gotta do with this thing? Ditch the cryptic, authentic captions. In 2026, your reels need to be titled exactly how people are typing it into the search bar. Use those keywords on the screen text and very first line of your captions. If the AI doesn't read what your video is about, it's never hitting the Explore page. Trend number 4, scaling at all costs. 2026 is a year of the content farm. If you're dropping the perfect video a week, you're losing the competitors who are dropping 50 pieces of content by slicing one single session. What we gotta do? Record one pillar piece like a podcast, a long form deep dive, and chop it into the dozen of shorts, reels, and carousels. In 2026, the winner is whatever dominates the feed 24/7. Coming in with number 3, the massive comeback of carousels. Everyone's so burned out with a short format video that carousels have become the go-to for deep dives. Data shows that they are getting 6 times more saves than reels right now. What we gotta do? Use alt-weighted slides for how well you storytelling. The longest liners on your slides, the more algorithm feels like a profile as premium. This is your number 1 tool for being trust and closing sales. That's why we are here. Now I know what you're thinking about. How am I supposed to build a content engine and write SEO scripts without burning out? That's exactly why you need Spirey. Think of it as your AI content strategist that does in 2 minutes what used to take weeks. It deep dives into your profile and your competitors. It writes a bio what actually converts visitors into followers. And the killer feature, Spirey finds the most viral reels in your specific niche globally at this exact moment and generates custom scripts for you based on those winning structures. You just record and go. Links in the description and here on the QR code. So trend number 2, dopamine burnout. People are sick of brain-root fast food content. In 2026, slow content is a king. Longer reels, we're talking about 60 to 90 seconds and even 3 minutes, and deep expert breakdowns are back into the top tier. What we gotta do? Don't be afraid to talk. If you have the real message, give it the time to breathe. 2026 algorithm prioritize watch time above everything else. And if you can keep someone's attention for a full minute or even 3 minutes, you won the rich game. And the number 1 trend for 2026, the death of aesthetic. In a world flooded with AI content, nobody wants perfection. They want real. We're seeing a shift to role-based profiles where you aren't just the expert and you're a creator with a backstory, with a visible failures and raw opinion. What we gotta do? Show the mess. Film the behind the scenes and share the losses as well as your wins. The only thing people willing to pay in 2026 is unfiltered human being. As I promised, here are the 5 creators absolutely killing it right now. Go study them. The first one, that's the blueprint for turning audience point pains into the massive business. Second, Alex on Budget, how to take a boring topic like finance and make it viral through personal storytelling. Here you could see it. Number 3, the Chris Philip Land, master of the Road to $500K series, the high stakes, high engagement. The fourth account proven that founder content about the grind is way more interesting than a fancy lifestyle. And the fifth account, she's the queen of the raw look, prove that you don't need a studio or crew to go viral. That was top 5 content creator trends for 2026. Hit the subscribe button if you wanna stay ahead of the curve, and smash the like button if you want more social media hacks and trends. Catch you in the next one.